Hi, I'm TJ Bazoon and welcome to Learn Piano in 45 days. You're either taking part one or part two. Now, why should you take my class instead of all those other classes that are available on this site? I'm going to give you 3 reasons. Number one, I know what I'm doing. I've been teaching privately for about 15 years. I have a master's degree in music from a top 10 music school. I have a music academy. If you need any clarification of who I am, just go to my website, berniemusic.com. That's B-O-E-R-N-E music.com. Or you can head on over to unlimitedpiano.com. Reason number 2, a lot of classes focus on either the chord method or reading music or on playing piano by ear. But why can't we do all 3? In this class, you're going to learn to do everything. You're going to learn to figure out entire songs by ear. You're going to learn chords, and you're going to learn to read treble clef and bass clef. And final reason, and this is really the most important, I break this class down into small components. You're going to have a day 1 assignment, and then day 1 is going to have different lessons. You're going to go lesson after lesson after lesson after lesson, assignment after assignment after assignment. So, I hope you enjoy my class. It's completely free. Don't forget, the first thing you have to do is download the free ebook that comes with it. Have fun and learn to play piano.